Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing week. If you don't know me, my name is Aditi. Go subscribe and hit the bell icon. It's just free, so you can do it. Please, yeah. For today's video, I'm gonna bake a small cake with very less ingredients, so it's less confusing for you guys. And disclaimer guys, I'm not a professional cake artist. It's just what I've learned from internet. I've shared it with you guys, and here are my some tips and tricks how to bake it. So let's dive into the video.
We'll need 2 packets of Oreo biscuit, half teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of powdered sugar, which I ended up using 1/4 cup, and 1 cup of milk. Let's start by putting Oreo biscuits and adding milk little by little and breaking the Oreo biscuits. Oreo biscuits will melt automatically while you are putting the milk, so you don't need to blend it beforehand in a powdered way. So and keep some milk we'll add on later, and now I will add sugar in it and then mix it again. Whisk the mixture properly. Now I'll add half teaspoon of baking powder. It's not baking soda, it's a baking powder, and whisk it properly so it creates a spongy cake. Now I'll take a baking paper and then fold it and cut it into a circular kind of a shape to put it in the pan. If you don't have, you can use only oil and grease it. Now I am greasing it with some oil and then putting the butter paper inside. After baking the cake, I usually let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes and then keep it in freezer for 2 to 3. Now I am adding the rest of the milk and mixing it. And now I will bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes in a preheated oven. Meanwhile the cake is baked, I will make a sugar syrup of 50% sugar and 50% water and melt the sugar. I'll take out the cake from oven and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes to cool it down. This is half cup of whipping cream. I'll whip it until it's thickened and is double in size. Now in between I'll just once mix all it once again and again whip it. I'll whip the cream until there's stiff peaks coming. You can see now the peaks are coming. The cream is very well thickened. Now I'll add some cocoa powder in it and whisk it to have some chocolatey kind of a taste in it. This is my jugaad for cake stand. I've taken out the cake from freezer and I have cut it in 2 parts and adding some sugar syrup to make the cake moist, and then adding Nutella. If you don't have whipping cream, you can add Nutella on both the layers. I'm just adding it in the between layer just for a flavor and taste. You can only add Nutella and eat it, so it's your choice if you don't have whipping cream around. added whipping cream on the Nutella, and now I am placing the second layer and adding sugar syrup on it. I have covered the entire cake with the whipping cream, and now I am decorating it. As I have mentioned, if you don't have whipping cream, you can just add Nutella and some chocolates on it. It will be as tasty without whipping cream also. I had some leftover cake, so I had just crumble it up and just putting it as a decorating element on upside and also on sides. Now I am adding munch on the top of the cake. You can also add Kit Kat if you want. This will be a good as also decorative element of the cake. It will look good and you can also eat it at the end. This trick always works. It's simple but it also looks good while clicking photos. I'm just cleaning the edges.
Tried the cake. It was so yummy, so delicious. आपके मुंह में भी पानी आ ही गया होगा, तो आप भी जाके ट्राई कीजिए एंड कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कैसा लगा आपको केक. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and do let me know what you want to see next in the comment section below. Also like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye. So for today's video guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, and yet the taste is so delicious. While watching, while you might get water in. Less confused, to get yourself less confused. For today's video, I'm baking it